Hi, this is Christy DeMorrison coming to you from the International Fastener Expo in Las Vegas, and I'm over at the Fireside Chats area with Toby Anderson, the ASTM F16 Fastener Committee Chair. Toby?
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How is IFE going so far for you?
It's going good. Lots of good energy. People are reporting there's a lot of people walking the floor. Good to see friends again. Happy faces. Everyone's got a little coffee on board. High energy. It's good.
Good. Yes, you got to have the coffee. Lots of fasteners are giving out coffee here for sure.
Yep, there's a reason. I guess wine later, I guess. Is that how that works?
Yeah. It's basically the two main food groups at
That's right.
IFE.
That's right. Definitely for the fastener industry.
Yes.
Right.
So, Toby, you just had a fireside chat on kind of an Ask the Experts talk session. What were some of the questions that you were hearing?
Yeah, it was a great session, and we got good questions. A couple on how to become a member, how the process works, a couple specific standards questions that allowed us to dig into the weeds a little bit about specific products and how those standards address those products, how those standards might be changing. It was good. Yeah, it was a good wide range of questions, informative. I hope it was helpful for everybody here. It seemed informative. Energy was good. I saw smiling faces, so I think that's good. I don't know if they were laughing at me or with me, but either way, it was good.
We'll go with you, right?
Okay.
So, Toby, what else are you hearing right now as everybody is just looking towards the year ahead for the industry? You know, anything that people should be thinking about?
You know, it was interesting. So I've had 3 people come up to me, 2 who are starting new businesses, another who's acquiring a distributorship and growing into the adding to his portfolio in the fastener world. And I just talked to a manufacturer who's seeing a lot of demand for equipment in a particular segment that he asked about and had not seen before. So there are things going on in this industry and growth occurring, which is fantastic. It means it's a good industry for the country. I think it's representative. If the fastener industry is good, the country's doing well, infrastructure is doing well, which is jobs for everybody and more manufacturing jobs domestically. It's good. Yeah, good energy, and I was surprised. I wasn't sure what the feel was going to be this year, but high energy and interesting growth.
Good. Well, very good. We're glad to hear that.
Yeah.
So anybody who is watching from home, maybe wasn't able to get out here, if they want to get in touch with you, learn more about membership, how can they do that?
So my email address is on the ASTM website. I'm the F16 Fastener Committee Chair. If you look under F16, it's there. I'm also president of Baybolt. We've got an Instagram page. You can reach out there. And yeah, Baybolt website has got our contact information there as well. So happy to talk to anyone, answer any questions. You should have been here. If you didn't come, you're missing out. And we've got another similar panel like this tomorrow morning. So you still have time to get here for tomorrow morning. Get to the expo and hear more about us.
Great. Well, thank you so much,
Yeah,
Toby.
thanks.
I'm going to let you get back to it. I know you got a line over there.
Right.
So thank you very much. And thank you for watching. Again, continue to stay tuned for more from the International Fastener Expo.